Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, I'm gonna make a candle holder and a grand centerpiece for you. All right, and to start off, I got two of these. They're like, what you call it, something like a whirl, yes, globe. And from the dollar store, I paid $4 for it. All right, so I bought two and I did one ahead of time. All right, I'm gonna put this aside. And this is it. You see the difference from there to this? And I painted maybe 2 coats with this silver paint from, it's like a dollar plus store, and it's like I think $3.99 or $4.99 for this. And this is it. All right, this is a beautiful crystal candle holder. I got it from the thrift store and I paid $2.99 plus tax for it. And these, I have more than one. There are some crystal hanging beads or hanging crystal. You can get them on Amazon. I'm going to use one of this candle holder and it's from the dollar store. You can make them if you want. Just add some rhinestone around these little tea light candle holders. Now you can make a base for this. All right, you can buy this one. It's $2 from the dollar store. It's already made. Don't worry about it. It has wood and you put the rhinestone around it and a mirror. Now if you don't have it, you can just get a piece of board, craft board from the Dollar Tree, and you get one of this mirror and then you glue it and put your bling around it, and that's it. This is a candle holder, space right through it, and this is the bottom, and it has this candle on it. I have them long time ago, so they look old. So what I did, I went ahead and I paint this in silver, and I paint 2 of them. Now I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of bling around the sides, and I'm gonna do it on the next side, and this will be my base for my candle holder or centerpiece. I'm gonna use some of these rhinestone and possible few of these. With these strips of rhinestone mesh, I'm gonna add them right around. I just want to show you it's not hard to do. Just put everything in the middle and basically you just want to glue it on and try to glue it in the middle. I have this different type of round rhinestone mesh and I'm going to glue it alongside right here at the bottom. We're gonna glue this right here. And then we're gonna glue this nice pretty one on top. You just want to use any string at all just to hold it. I use this instead, and I'm going to glue it in the center. Can you see how beautiful it is, guys? Yes. All right, we're gonna set this aside, and now I'm gonna use the same mesh, and I'm gonna cover the entire top, and I'm gonna cover both of them. And this is it, guys. Can you see how beautiful it is? And I decorate the next one as well. All right, as I said, you can use about 6 pieces of this from the Dollar Tree, and you can make a square and you can use it. Next time around, you can simply use this and voila. Can you see that, guys? Yes, yes, yes. You would have your candle holder still to use, and then you want to put the next one on this side. So can you see this, guys? Isn't this beautiful? It is beautiful as is. I'm gonna add a brooch right here. I got it from the dollar store. Voila. And then you wanna take any side out. Can you see it now, guys? Yeah. So basically you want to add your light underneath. Voila. And you can just close it back, and I'm gonna add this on top. I'm gonna clean up everything, shine up everything, put them on display, and then I'm gonna show you. This is the final result. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Yes, 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 yes. I add this extra base. You don't have to add it. I have it and I add it. You can just use the one I made. And I add this beautiful brooch as well. I got it from the Dollar Tree, like a dollar store, and I paid $2 for it. It's like a $1+ store. And look at this, guys. Look at the centerpiece. Ooh, this candle holder in the middle. And on the top here, look how beautiful. I have this little horsey ornament. It's just said, I am the king of the home. Yes, yes. This is my world. This is my globe. And oh, how can I forget the light in there, guys? So can you see it? I add this glamorous light in it. Look at the base, guys. Really pretty, really beautiful. Look at the sides, so blingy. Woo! And I like the dark mirror. Really dark, stands out a lot. And look at that, guys. Yes, look at the bling on it. Crisscross, gotta make it. My beautiful globe centerpiece candle holder. If Idea Home Decor. Look at my horsey. Yes, I am the ruler. And I add a little star on it. Can you see it, guys? Yes, yes. All right, guys, this is the final result. Love upon me and I love upon you. There it is. All right. I'm so excited. Bye, guys. Yes, yes.